Sonko, wherever he is, oh, sorry, Bosko, wherever he is shitting bricks. Doesn't want this video to be played. Well, what's my name?
At the moment, I have to do one of my roles, one of my responsibilities. I promise my people. Remember, during the maternity problem, and who are languishing in these hospitals, like Pomoni maternity, Kenyatta, Mamaluku Hospital.
You're not telling me something I personally have never done. I've done Pomoni before you, my dear. I'm asking you, Kesho, what are we doing so that this is not a problem?
Different people, but this is one of my principles. Me, I have to help the people that I'll be beating out money, whether you say it's
No, I'm asking you, what is the plan? Plan ya kesho kutwa ya watu.
My plan is to continue to help people as far as when they come to see me, I must give them money. Whether I'm doing bad or wrong, I don't care.
No, that's not the point I'm asking you, and this is why you should stop being defensive. Okay. I'm asking you, it can't be an ongoing problem. Kesho ikowe hauko. What will happen? How are you going to ensure huyo mama amekuitisha fees leo? At least next time, akona pesa zake.
But there is life after politics. But what I'm telling you, you are just discussing the negative side of Sonko.
No, I'm asking you, what do we do tomorrow? You need to stop being so defensive. By the way, sir, you're not doing anything I've never done. You know, it's not special. But the difference between you and me is, you are government. You're a senator. You're part of what is the government of Nairobi. So when you say you don't know what the government is doing, you are in office, sir. From where you are, come a senator. You know you can influence policy. You can affect our lives. You can make a difference. What are you doing? That's what I'm asking you. And you're getting all wired and defensive. It's not a fight. I'm asking you, Kesho, people.
I think you are under the influence of something, or you are working for somebody. Because
Are you hearing? Caroline Mutoko has stayed on the point. Oh, this chick is a beast when it comes to radio. She needs to find a way to get back on radio. This woman is a beast, or rather she was a beast. She's staying on point. What about tomorrow? This guy, now, he goes into the darkness. I think you're on something. No. What about tomorrow? Bosko. So hizi pesa nyu peana ndio. Sasa nani, Mutoko anaulizaje. Wo peana tudo hapa na pale. What about tomorrow when this woman doesn't have you? What happens to her then? Oh, I think you're on something. Let's finish. This looks like a good clip. Let's finish. I hope it's clear.
I don't make $1 million, by the way. Sorry. I don't make that money.
You also mannerless. You also smoke cigarettes all the time. You're discussing that to have a baby with my daughter. Even if I want to have a baby with you.
Haven't you completely lost? Haven't you lost the track of the conversation? I'm asking you, if somebody wants to make a difference.
You can't have all the right to discuss about my daughter in that studio.
Okay, fine. I will ask you because you not talk about your daughter.
How many people fuck you?
Okay, I'll tell Kibe.
Kibe wants to have a talk with my daughter.
I think he was joking. If it is a bad joke, we apologize. But you're not. You've completely gone off track, sir. He completely can't answer my question and now he's upset.
You don't own a right to discuss my daughter?
Okay, I've told you, if Chipikizi upset you, I've apologized on his behalf. But we need to go back.
I'm going to deal with you and Chibukizi. I'll deal with you accordingly.
Yes, and I'm asking you, what do you want to do to make sure? Okay, my question was very simple. What are you going to do to make sure people are not consistently coming to you for a handout? That's all. He didn't answer because he'd hang up. I'm glad out of the 4 of us in here, Angel and I are laughing.
That's Bosko for us. That's Bosko. Bosko is an emotional guy. He's always been an emotional guy. Why would he say that about somebody? Why would he say that on a call? Why would he say, I will deal with you guys? I will deal with you and Chipukizi. That was 9 years ago. I will deal with you and Chipukizi. Hey, you don't know me. I will deal with you. What are you going to do?